Hi teacher friends, it's Katie. Do you have any students who need a read-aloud accommodation? Or do you have any students who could just benefit from having articles read out loud to them? Today I'm making the case for using Chrome's reading mode with the Chromebook's accessibility features. To get started, click on the side panel on your Chrome browser and open the reading mode. To learn more about reading mode and how to customize it for you and your students, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Now, once you have the reading mode pulled up, let's get your accessibilities turned on. So click on the time and then the settings gear. And in the accessibility section of your settings, go ahead and toggle on showing accessibilities in your Chrome browser. Then you can go back to your quick menu, click on your newly added accessibility section, and then turn on Select to Speak. This will turn on the text-to-speak feature for you and your students. Start by clicking the play button in the bottom part of the dock. Then select Text.
Katherine Johnson.
It will highlight in a purple box the section that it chooses to read aloud. You can pause or play. You can skip to the next sentence, or you can even skip to the next paragraph. You can also decide how quickly or slowly the text is read aloud. Using the Chrome browser's reading mode, paired up with Chromebook's Select to Text, really makes reading more accessible for students anytime, anywhere. Be sure to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel to find even more videos where I'm making the case.